Bakit Spain ang next travel at dream home mo? Hola mga kababayan, ako si Ines, 8 years dito sa Spain. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng next travel na sulit, Instagrammable at punong-puno ng culture, Spain na yan! At hindi lang yan, masasarap na pagkain, affordable kumpara sa ibang EU countries. Dahil mayroon kang Schengen visa or student visa, makapag-travel ka din sa 27 countries like Malta, Italy, France at marami pang iba. At bakit maganda tumira dito? Mayroong quality of life, magandang healthcare system, public transportation, at lifestyle balance. Free education from nursery until post-secondary education, such as bachelor degree and master degree. Pagkakataon maging Spanish citizen. At kung Spanish ka na, you can live and work sa ibang bansa without applying for visa. Here at the Visa Center, we can make travel easy, exciting, and affordable. Kaya vamos sa Espanya! Pwede po magpadala ng mensahe sa akin for more information or you can follow their Facebook pages.